Hello, fourth graders. How are you? Today's lesson is going to be about describing words. Here we have an elephant that is big, and we have a mouse that is little. This ball is large, and the other one is small. This boy is, maybe you can guess it, he's short. And if he's short, his friend is tall. Here comes a red car, and here is an airplane. If the car was slow, the airplane goes very fast. The cup is hot, and the bottle of water is cold. Can you guess what word type today's lesson will be about? Today's fabulous English lesson will be incredibly useful at helping you, wonderful students, to create detailed and imaginative pieces of writing. Can you guess? We are talking about adjectives. So we are learning to understand how adjectives can make writings more interesting and complete. Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more information about nouns. They can be used in two ways. They can be placed before the nouns, or they can come after certain verbs. But before, we need to remember what is a noun. A noun is a word that names people and animals, places, and things. A noun can tell who or what. Here we have a list of the who's and the what. And what is a verb? A verb is a main part of speech that is often used to describe or indicate an action. For example, I can jump when I'm happy, or my dad loves to walk every morning. Here are examples of how we can use adjectives. Before the noun, I ate a delicious red apple. I have a little brown dog. Little and brown are the adjectives. And after the verbs, like seem, is, and appear. My mother is furious. The lady seems strong. The new teacher appears nice. Now we're going to start with our first task. In this task, you're going to read each sentence and think which are the adjectives in each of them. You're going to pause the slide after I read each sentence. My sister put on her beautiful sweater and ran outside in her yellow rain boots. The big black cat caught the scared little mouse. The bright sunlight came through the small window. I'm going to give you some time for you to think which are the adjectives in each sentence. Okay, let's check if you know which were the adjectives. My sister put on her beautiful sweater and ran outside in her yellow rain boots. Let's see. Beautiful. Ran outside in her yellow rain boots. Yellow, very good. The big black cat caught the scared little mouse. Big, black, and scared. And little mouse, very good. I'm sure you had them all correct. The bright sunlight came through the small window. Bright and small. And the second task, you're going to begin at the start point, and you are going to create a path to the finish by coloring in the boxes that have adjectives. As you are not going to be able to color here in the presentation, try to copy this activity in your copybook or try to do it in your mind, making out the path to get from the start to the finish. Okay, we're going to check. We have blue, small, clear, noisy, tall, soft, strong, and pretty. So I did all the path to the finish line. Now it's time for you to check how much did you learn. You're going to the second presentation and practice this lesson. Thank you very much. Hope to see you as soon as possible.